Value stream mapping is perhaps the most utilized lean technique by consultants and management professionals for organizational improvement. If you're like most people, you probably use whiteboards to map your value streams while the management part happens elsewhere. You might be looking for a dedicated tool or you're using your existing systems architecture. But what if you could map and manage your value streams all in a single environment? Well, this is what I'm going to show you in today's Business Map tutorial, so stick with me for the next couple of minutes. Hello everyone, my name is Nick from Businessmap, and we're inside a custom dashboard in Businessmap right now. We have several workspaces here, several boards, but I'd like to start from a whiteboard and build out a custom scenario here. Let's imagine that we are running a drone manufacturing company, and as part of this company, we have a portfolio of 3 products: Aeromax X1 drone, AeroSwift F2, and Horizon Scout, with Aeromax X1 being our flagship product. Based on this product and based on the development of it, we want to identify the value streams. So we've identified that we have 2 value streams here. First one is hardware development and manufacturing, and the second one is software and systems integration. And now let's say that we'd like to build out a map for this value stream here. And I've actually already done this with the help of AI. I used our AI engine here to generate a specific template, and I gave it this specific prompt. We're a drone manufacturing company. This is our flagship product. Give me a value stream mapping template for the hardware development and manufacturing of the drone. And this is the result that we got here. As you can see, it's pretty good. Actually, we have specific steps like concept design, detailed engineering, supplier sourcing, we have constraints, we have success criteria here. But of course, keep in mind that this is just templates and you can come and edit it, modify it the way you see fit. As part of this template, we've also identified 5 teams that are working specifically on this value stream map. And let's say we have the product, design and engineering team, supply chain, quality assurance, assembly team, and operations and logistics. Obviously, you can use the whiteboards in Businessmap to map your value stream, but what happens with the management part? Well, let's go back to our main dashboard here and pay attention to this board, hardware development value stream, as well as these boards here. Now, this is a management workspace in Businessmap, while this is a team workspace, and all these teams are connected to the main board, which represents our value stream. Let's go inside this board. We have our flagship product, Aeromax X1 drone. This is broken down into specific initiatives, which are already living on a specific workflow, which I built for the value stream. Now, if I scroll, I can see the specific steps from the value stream map represented now in an actual workflow. Now, I can pick up one of these initiatives, let's say this one, and see that the engineering team is working on it. If I click on here, I can see that my quality and assurance team is working on this initiative. The supply chain team has this initiative in requested. They haven't started working on it yet, but this board really gives you an overview. Okay, here's my product portfolio, here's my value stream map, and here are all the teams that are contributing on this value stream map. Let's move back to the dashboard, the main dashboard in Businessmap. And I'd like to mention that with these workspaces, a management workspace, team workspaces, you can build out every single value stream in your company and actually connect teams that are working on this value stream and manage everything just from a single environment. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you'd like to keep up with more of these practical lean management use cases.